So friends, the tech giant Apple is set to redefine its long-standing design philosophy with the introduction of the iPhone 17 series. This new lineup marks a significant departure, particularly in the design of the rear camera module, which is likely to stir both excitement and apprehension among users. Recent leaks have unveiled render images showcasing the stunning appearance of the iPhone 17 Pro when paired with vibrant cases, and Apple's decision to implement a substantially larger camera island on its flagship models while maintaining this signature triple camera setup has drawn comparison to the Google Pixel series among tech enthusiasts. Despite some criticism from loyal Apple fans, the combination of the new design with colorful cases emphasizes the phone's elegance and visual appeal, and the leaked images of the iPhone 17 Pro cases corroborate the Apple is indeed shifting towards a larger than anticipated camera island design. Within the iPhone 17 range, it's reported that the standard iPhone 17 will maintain the current design of the iPhone 16. Meanwhile, rumors suggest that the forthcoming iPhone 17 Air will feature a larger, yet notably thinner and more streamlined camera island. While it's premature to determine the success of Apple design choices with the iPhone 17 Pro, the company's future seems promising. Rumors has it that Apple is gearing up for the anticipated foldable iPhone expected to debut in 2027. Although details about this eagerly awaited model remain under wraps. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.